Fried Pork Wonton. Ingredients: 12 ounces ground pork, 1 tablespoon finely chopped green onion, 1 large garlic clove, minced, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Vegetable oil for frying. 50, 3/2 x 3/2 inch, square wonton wrappers. Directions: mix together the pork, green onion, garlic, sesame oil, salt and black pepper in a medium bowl. Prepare your workstation, cover the stack of wontons with a damp cloth, fill a small bowl with water and line a baking tray or plate with parchment. Place a wonton wrapper in the palm of your left, or non-dominant, hand in the shape of a diamond. Scoop 1 teaspoon of filling into the middle. Dip your index finger in water and paint the top 2 edges of the diamond. Fold the bottom tip over the filling to form a triangle. Press the edges together while pushing out air from the middle. Pour enough oil into a small saucepan or skillet to reach a depth of 1 inch. Set over high heat to reach a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a deep fry thermometer, test by dropping a little meat or a small piece of wonton wrapper into the hot oil. If it sizzles, the oil is ready. Reduce the heat to medium. Slide 4 to 5 wontons into the oil, or as many will fit without overcrowding, and fry until golden brown on both sides, 45 seconds to 1 minute, flipping halfway. Scoop up the wontons with a spider or slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Watch the wontons carefully as they cook, and thus burn quickly. Serve hot with sweet chili sauce.